Ladies and gentlemen, quick commerce today is one of the greatest opportunities in retail. But the problem is, most D2C brands are burning money trying to crack it. And if you're a D2C founder, we are doing something very special for you.
Everyone thinks once you get listed on quick commerce, their business will skyrocket.
Revenue will shoot up.
And investors will pour in money. But do you know what? That is a big lie.
Most founders struggle to get listed on quick commerce. Hundreds of them get listed, but they start burning money instead of making money on quick commerce.
And if they survive the burn, their supply chain breaks the moment demand explodes.
In fact, most founders do not have a strong inventory management system that is capable of catering to the exploding demand of quick commerce.
So do you realize quick commerce is not a listing problem, it's an operations problem.
Which is why we have something very special for you. My name is Kiran Shah. I have built India's #1 guilt-free ice cream brand GOZERO and scaled it to over 100 crores in revenue just on quick commerce.
My name is Arjun. I built Dr. Vedis and now I back the next generation of consumer brands through a fund called V3 Ventures like SuperU, GoZero and Deconstruct.
My name is Pooja Sherali and I'm director at DSG Consumer Partners. We've backed brands like Veeba, GOZERO, Epigamia, Farmley and Anveshan. These brands dominate quick commerce today.
My name is Kiran Shah. I head D2C partnerships at Swiggy Instamart.
And we are handpicking 120 founders for a quick commerce accelerator program on 7th of June at DLF Cyberpark, Gurgaon. In this program, we will cover how can a 2-year-old D2C brand outsell a 30-year-old FMCG giant in the same category.
What categories is Swiggy Instamart actively betting on for the next 24 months?
How do you run ads with a ROAS of 3x when most brands are stuck at 1.2x and bleeding?
How do you crack fill rates, dark store inventory and category manager relationships?
Why do some brands get acquired at 500 crores while others with the same revenue can't even raise a Series A?
What are the red flags that make a VC say no in the first 5 minutes even if your revenue looks great?
And how to prepare your system for 100 crore revenue without an operational fracture. If you need help with these problems,
Join us on the 7th of June
for Think School's Quick Commerce Accelerator program. The ticket to this room is 10,000 rupees and you can apply for this program with just 999 rupees. And even if you don't get selected, we will send you the full recording of the session with notes, framework and playbook to help you scale. Because at Think School, we believe that education should not be an instrument of privilege for a few. It must always be an instrument of growth for all. So apply now using the link in the description and hopefully we will see you at the event.